today I sell things that I do on my own and my old things. This one is my old shoes, it's 120 baht. This one is my old shoe too, it's 190 baht. This one is my bracelet, 29 baht. I do it on my own. And this one is like a keychain, 19 baht. I do it on my own. Bye-bye. My name is EE. I'm selling card, pen, and a sticky note, and some toys, and the cards, squishy, and book.
I'm here to sell these Kuromi boxes with the kids. This is the last box left for this song. Yeah, special edition!
Hi, my name is Corn. This is Pupa and Zero and Bayu. And we all buy these 3D printed products from that store over there in the flea market.